When it comes to evaluating character, we ask one simple question. Is the quality a strength or an opportunity for growth? When guiding clients to complete the self-evaluation, point at the importance of the language we've chosen. It's asking them to identify an area where they can learn and so move closer to their aspirations for themselves. The difference in mindset is important because this is not an exercise in self-flagellation, but a check-in that helps build a development journey. When going through the 54 clicks in the radial buttons, they can go quick, instinctive, and finish within about 5 minutes. Alternatively, they can dive deep into who they believe they are, really challenging themselves to justify each choice they make. This self-awareness is an intended, not accidental outcome of the survey. It is part of the learning, and we want the users to exclaim, I really had to think about that. Any challenge with this vocabulary, any musings over the synonyms, this is all excellent reflection. You might want them to share their major conclusions as they answered these questions.